Millions of Americans right now are facing some poor air quality alerts and, of course, this blistering heat wave. Health educator Dr. Eric Griggs joining us now to go over the impact on that. Good morning, Dr. Griggs.
Good morning.
And here in our neck of the woods, we're talking about, some incredible heat. And I know we've mentioned it, we have a lot of people in town. I feel like when you walk around the French Quarter, it always feels 10 degrees hotter for some reason in the French Quarter. But tell me about the air quality control, first of all. What are some of the things that people are dealing with, not just here, but across the country?
I found it very dad jokish that you would use blistering heat. That's one of my lines. Yeah, it's that hot. Yeah. Air quality, the wildfires. The thing you want to worry about with the air quality when you have these wildfires is the volatile organic compounds and the chemicals and the things that are burning, along with the other things that can be harmful if you inhale them. The symptoms of the runny eyes and the runny nose and the eye irritation combined with the heat and the knowledge that there's fires makes you, if you get an air quality alert, you want to stay inside as much as possible.
And we've seen some of our major cities dealing with it. We've seen there was New York a few weeks ago, looked like something out of a sci-fi movie, like it was in Blade Runner or something. And then you had Chicago, and now, some of that air quality issues have even come all the way down here to the south, and we've dealt with some of that. What should you do? If you're like somebody like me, I don't really have any serious allergies. Somebody like me versus somebody who does deal with allergies on a regular basis, what should they deal with?
Well, right, even whether it's serious allergies or not, again, if you're experiencing skin irritation, rashes, difficulty breathing, any of the signs of an irritant to your airways and persistently, you want to stay inside as much as possible. The other thing you want to do is you want to go talk to your doctor if you should these symptoms be new to someone like yourself that doesn't have any problems. And for those of us that are on the allergy side of things, we want to make sure we're taking our allergy medications, pay attention to the air quality warnings that are out, and understand that this is combined with extreme heat.
Yes. The other side of that was the heat. That's what I was going to get to now. If you're walking around the city of New Orleans right now, or if you're even down south, or you're going to be out on the water over the next several days, because we have 4th of July coming up, we have Essence Festival in town, Uncle Sam Jam. There's so many things happening. It's summertime. But it's been so incredibly hot. I don't know how much you get acclimated to it. We're still going to be hot this weekend. What should people be looking out for when they're going to be walking around the city or elsewhere?
So the first thing I want everyone to do is wake up in the morning and drink at least 1 bottle of water. Before your coffee, before you do anything. We are being dehydrated. This is oppressive heat that we haven't experienced in a while, if ever. You want to drink at least 1 to 2 bottles of water before you get out of the door. Make sure you're hydrated, pay attention to your own symptoms, stay out of the sun between the times of 10 and 2, wear a sunscreen. It's Essence Festival, we all need sunscreen, at least at a minimum an SPF 30 to protect yourself. And the big thing is, especially if you're for our festival goers, is comfortable shoes.
Yeah.
Your feet will make you cry. I don't care whether you're standing around or walking around.
You will be surprised how much you walk in this city.
Seek as much air condition and be as cool as possible. Should you have any symptoms, get to a medical professional as soon as possible. Make sure to take your meds. Know how the sun and heat will affect your meds. There are some meds that make you lose fluid, which makes you more prone to dehydration. And again, stay cool and hydrate.
Always good. Always good advice from you, as always, Dr. Eric Griggs.
Blistering heat.
Blistering heat.
Blistering, that's it.
I am a cat dad now.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much there, Dr.